So hello everyone, I am Pranav Shinde. I am going to teach you linear search. In linear search, we suppose we have to find any element. We find it linearly. Suppose we have to find 20. Then in array, we find it from 0th index to nth index. So and suppose the five here is 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. This is our item. So we will find this element in sequential order or linearly. There are two stopping conditions of linear array. Suppose we have to find 25. We will start it from 0th index and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At 5 index, at sorry 4th index, we found 25. And suppose we have to find 50 element in this array. So we will find 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and the array is ended. Here 50 is not present, so this is the stopping condition. The one is when we found the particular element or second is if the element is not present in the array. So suppose we have to find item 20. So now algorithm for linear search. This algorithm, these four are our variables: data, n, item, loc. Data is our linear array, n is our number of elements in the present in the array, item is our 20 that we have to find out, and location is the location of that 20 item 20. So first step is set I is equal to 0 and loc is equal to 0. Here we set I is equal to 0 because I is our address of the element, that is index of the element. We have starting index is 0, so we will start it from 0, and location is equal to 0. Suppose we have to store element address of this 20 item, so we initialize this variable with 0. Second step is repeat steps 3 and 4 while loc is equal to 0 and I is less than equal to n. We have to repeat steps 3 and 4 while these conditions are true, that is loc is equal to 0 and I is less than equal to n. The third step is if item is equal to data of I, then set loc is equal to I. If item where item is 20 is equal to data of I, here I is 1, so data of 0 is 5, so 20 is not equal to 5, so this block will get skipped and else block will get executed. Set I is equal to I plus 1. Initially I is 0, I is incremented by 1, so I becomes 1. Again repeat steps 3 and 4 while loc is equal to 0 and I is less than equal to n. Our n is 7. We have 8 elements in the array, so these conditions are true. Repeat these steps. If item is 20 is equal to data of I, here data of I is 1, data of 1 is 10, this is also false. Then skip this and else execute else block. Set I is equal to I plus 1. Again I is incremented by 1, so I is equal to 2. Now I is equal to 2. Again repeat steps 3 and 4 while loc is equal to 0 and I is less than equal to n. Again this is condition is true. If item 20 is equal to data of I, now I is 2, data of 2 is 15 and our item is 20, so this is false. So 20 is not equal to 15. Then skip this block, else set I is equal to I plus 1. Now our I is 2 and it is incremented by 1, so I becomes 3. Repeat steps 3 and 4 while loc is equal to 0 and I is less than equal to n. This is true condition, loc is 0 and I is less than n, that is I is less than 8, 3 is less than 8. If item 20 is equal to data of I, now our I is 3 and data item is 20 and data of 3 is 20, this is true. Then set loc is equal to I. Now set loc variable is equal to I is our 3, so set loc is equal to 3, else will get ignored. Now fourth step, if loc is equal to 0, then write item not found, but our loc is 3, so ignore this block, else write loc is the location of item, write loc is 3 is the location of item written. Suppose if we have to find a particular element which is not present in array. So suppose let's take example of 50. This is not that is not present in this array. When this block will get continuously executed till 9 n, that is 7, so after that, this if loc is equal to 0 now, so loc is equal to 0 as there is no element present in array, so loc is equal to 0, then write item not found, return. Thank you.